Hello, David Cameron. Bloody hell, we are, for Somaliland and UK, France, long time ago, we, Second World War, we defined in your country, and now we have, I am a Somaliland police. I want something to kill me, sister, please. And I don't have a color, I don't have, with Somaliland police, we don't have we have just one the عيال سوالوال one the عيال father coming we don't have how to they beat me and grab me and نجح me and just I have only حبض نول please can you help me please two مركب yeah you free two مركب سنت كلمة please and all because just I have مدفع and AK دم if عيال coming نجح me too I am boom. Please, yeah, send, yeah, and all that sort of problem. David Cameron, I know you, you good, nice one. Please, yeah, send me, and no problem again. If I got Somaliland police, if they got something kill my sister, قلب كل كنا قشنا حقا here and here, if real is wall, I can make like that. Like now they are coming and the bird coming. What can I do? Just I have حبة نور. Then and Islamic Barroso, Islamic he. Please help me. Yeah. Okay, thank you. وانا قاعد نمينا. وين مرت واحدة من الحماية. وش ها؟ والله لو ما كمان صدر يقول. فقال لو ما كمان قيمنا وحنا قيمنا قيمها. ورت برع أقول لك حبة برع الله قيمنا يا حكيسة بربرة بورمي راس عنود محوها مركز ورجينية. يا. بكسر على قطر قالوا ساسر بس كل ما يا. نو برو شيء تاك السلام عليكم.
قوتا